helper ikaw, training ikaw, paano mo nabalaan?
A brief orientation man lang. And little by little, bapo, at misa, na-curious ako kung anong matabo. Like, nakulbaan ako, like, ano mahimuon namon din. Kay hambal, yung like, daw, hindi siya muna nga daw normal lang ang camping, nga gina, ano namon. So, mga like, lain. Kay 5 days siya mo, very mahaba nga, nga training. Bako, 5 days. Maano kami kato. Like, kung na peer helper training, something muna. Okay, sige, go, push. Yan. So, that time, kato na sinong Bari, and Korean kami. You are lucky enough to be a peer helper. You are chosen. You are chosen to be the peer helper of your municipality. And it's a great privilege na makabulig man sa inyo nga mga pareho nga kabataan.
To our teen center coordinators, thank you so much for your time and unending efforts, and for not getting tired of recruiting new peer helpers, volunteers, for conducting seminars and symposiums in other schools. Thank you so much for that, and I hope na mas maging damo pagid kamo throughout the years. Thank you.
Describe your feelings sa day 1.
Scared. Yeah, scared talaga. Oo. Kasi hindi ko wala ko kabalo ko nung himuon ko dito kay I feel like that not usual to the mga campings na gid pang gid pang kadtuan. Dito like to ma-feel ko nga do ka damo sa amon diha, damo sa mga municipality kadaw ka-welcoming sa amon nga mga coordinators dito, especially ng Jerome, ng Jemar, and especially other nga pagid ng mga manong sa naman dito. Nando na curious lang ako kung anong matabo sa bilog nga si Mana.
Okay, to the school, no, thank you so much for your support, for your ending support throughout the year. So I hope that in the future you will also become more supportive to the projects of the teen center, because the school connects the PPO and the teen centers.
Second day, hindi ko nagawa matundumduman.
Scared pa ba?
No, hindi nagawa scared. Kaya syempre naka-get to know kami dito sang gabi. May gamay lang ang game. So sa first day sang gabi naka-get to know kami, amat-amat get to know. And pagka second day nando amat-amat nga daw engage naman like that. Tapos
Hindi na scared?
Hindi nagawa.
Hindi nagawa?
Oo, hindi nagawa. Like daw, gamat-amat na damuhalik na. Oo. No, very very kapatid na yung touring. Gamat-amat.
Day 2 pa lang yan, ha?
Day 2 pa lang. Day 2 pa
sige.
lang.
To our local government units, thank you so much for your support. Our heartfelt thanks for your never-ending support, and for making us get inspired to build a better future of teenagers. I hope that you continue to support our peers, teen center, and our peer helpers, as well as the teen center coordinators, and please help them make a project, probably a yearly project that would be sustainable, for like 5 years, 10 years, so that there will be like impact, and that the young ones, the teenagers, will have a yearly engagement with one another, and they will be supported every year. Thank you so much.
Day 3 was?
Day 3 was like a home. Yeah. Day 3 is like a home because that moment is because kada isa sa amon nag-share sa mga problems namon, sa to know mo ang ging share sa kada isa sa amon kung ano ang problema sa kada isa, ano ang naka shape sa amon subong, paano ang problem namon, paano ang nabatsyagan namon as of now, ano ang batyag namon nga daw nga drag down sa amon that time. From that moment, no, na ko nga kada isa sa amon like may kanya-kanyang istorya nga naghambal. we came from different backgrounds mo. We came from different contexts, from different setups of lives. We came from, different families. But in each family, naging anhanamon, may lain-lain nga hinaiya sang problema. And I suddenly realized that time nga ang problema ko, hindi gali, kabula-kabugat, like others nga mas grabe pagid. Others may ara nga napatay na ilagi ni kanan. Wala na sa nana, wala na sa tatay. Tapos siya gali ang breadwinner, siya nang kobas sa ilang nga family. So, to the graduates, my fellow peer helper graduates, yes, so perhaps siguro kay di ba lain-lain na kita field subong and we have different professions to take. I hope that we should not take for granted ang atong mga naginpang train sang una as a peer helper. We should continue to spread our wings to guide our fellow youth and to lend our arms to them to help and to be an angel to them, to guide them all through the way. And of course, let's see what we can do as a graduate of peer helper para mas mabuligan pa natin ang aton nga mga kamanghuran nga maging maayo ang ilang nga mga dalan nga tahakon sa ilang pagpangamuhi.
Day 4 sa ngaga.
Day 4? Ano day 4? Isang day 4 siguro, like mga down activities mo, like, ano di mo mga basta one thing activity namon dito is like daw nag-jingle, like daw nag-create sa mga song, pero ang song is like, very creative siya. It's very the idea of Sir Nong Jerome. The activity is like, daw mga private parts, mga sensitive mga terms, naging himuan sa mga tono, himuan siya poem, then himuan sang tono, like that. So, sadya lang. From that moment, na-realize naman na okay, hindi magali na lain nga ihambal ang mga terms nga ni. So, that terms are not hindi siya lain ihambal kay that actually the parts of the people, diba? So, from that moment, na-create amon nga open-mindedness sa kada isa. Naging open kami. Wala na sa kahuya sa kada isa. Kasi syempre, kada isa is unique man. And we have that kind of parts man sa amon. And of course, we build trust with each other. Yeah.
For the PPOs, we are grateful for having this project because here we are now. We are the product of that. Yes. And seeing on our lives, you can see that we improve, we have progress, and we are so open about the problems and issues of the youths nowadays. And we are so grateful, and we are conveying our gratitude to you for having this idea. And ang mahambal ko lang gid is continue to support our youth, continue to invest in them, and please hindi lang gid kamo makapoy because someone out there is needing your help. And I know that you can do more things pa sa life sang youth and damo pagid nga product ang aton nga ma-reap someday. Thank you so much.
Day 5 is like, napuli na kami. Day 5 is like daw nasubuan kami nga daw nasadyahan, nga daw ewan. Oo, kay, oo, kay, from, may awarding, appreciation, everything. Kaya that moment nga ma-realize, may kadasing sang 5 days. Ang gusto mo pala extend bala. Pa hindi mo siya ma-extend, like extend to 2636. No! Hindi siya ganon. Like gusto mo talaga, gusto mo siya na ma-extend, pero hindi. The 5 days is 5 days. Siguro, from that 5 days, I already create the bond, the camaraderie, the trust with those amazing people na nakilala ko. That, yeah, the very, mga tanan-tanan nga mga, good-minded, si mo girl, like that. Pero no, it's like, being out of the comfort zone siguro. Kasi syempre, nakasalamuha kita sa mga lain-lain istorya, and lain-lain nga mga bahin. And from that moment, we learn from these amazing people, these amazing children, that their stories are something that needs to embark in our experiences man as a people, as a person. And from these experiences nga nagkala natin sa ila, amo ni ang maka-create some the best version of us man. Yeah.
And lastly, for the new and current peer helpers of the different teen centers here in the province of Iloilo, I am so much grateful. We are so much grateful for your passionate dedication to become a role model to other youth as well. So thank you so much kay ara kamo para nga buligan sila. So I believe nga I hope and I believe nga kaya ninyo na and continue no that passion and that compassionate heart nga magbulig sa iban kay I know someday no isag nga ka fulfillment sa aton nga self, no, especially nga other people will thank us for what we have done for them. So to all of you, thank you so much, and mabuhay tayong lahat. Mabuhay ang Iloilo Provincial Population Office. Mabuhay ang Teen Center.
Once a peer helper, always a peer helper.
Yeah.